Hi. So, for this YouTube video, I'm going to try to make good ramen. I made ramen hundreds, millions of times before in my life, and surprisingly, I haven't died, and it tastes good. So, I'm going to make another level up and try to make it even better by adding eggs and other stuff to the ramen. Enjoy this video. First step, you need a pot, such as this one. Then you have to add water. Oh my god. Water. And then you put it on medium heat and you wait for it to boil.
A few moments later.
Oh, the words are backwards. If you don't know what this says, it says bowl noodle, soup, hot and spicy flavor. Now it's time to unbox the noodles. Noodles are taken out, and now I'm gonna, oh my god. Lid off. And I am now gonna add the spicy powder. My water is finally boiled, and then you add your powder, your spicy powder in it first. You can add as much as you like. I'm just gonna add like the whole pack. So I decided after this I would add sugar and pepper that's in this cup. So pepper is supposedly to make your ramen aftertaste better and not just weird spices, and the sugar is supposed to make it sweeter. So I'm gonna go add those in now. Spoon. And you put your ramen and the stuff in the ramen in. Oh my gosh. Don't overflow. Oh, don't overflow. You do not overflow. And your stuff. And then you wait for this to reboil. So my ramen noodles are now fully cooked, and now I will add my egg. So I will usually make a hole in the ramen. Oh my god, I spilled. And then I would crack it, and I would put it in my ramen. My ramen is fully cooked, and the egg is now fully cooked. As you can see, there's some bits of egg, and now I'm going to eat it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed me attempting to make ramen and eating it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.